Welcome back to Das Lab.
So today it is all about cleaning this dirty work surface that we have here. You can see with the red dots where we have embedded metal and other things that we don't want on there. And we're going to talk about cleaning this up today, do a little experiment, see if we can get it clean.
Okay, so what we've got today here is a one of these silicone mats that has been used quite a bit. Ooh, not necessarily self-healing, is it? It has been full of solder flux and sparkly little pieces of metal and filings and whatnot. So I'm just going to try cleaning it to see how well I can get it cleaned. I don't know if I'm going to use different products, but it was, you're using something like this to keep your camera, phone, electronic device, anything glass or that's got a nice finish on it, clean. And when you see all kinds of stuff kind of embedded in it, it doesn't make it feel, too confident that you're going to be able to fix, things with the surface-mounted technology. You don't want little pieces of filings. You grind out the Phillips head on a screwdriver or a Torx screwdriver or something like that, and those metal filings have to go somewhere. It'd be nice. I'm glad if they're embedded in here, but I'd rather not have them around at all. Put this side too. So all the flux came off. Had a lot of solder flux. Well, we'll dry that and see how it looks after it's dry. Okay, well, it's dry, and you can tell this isn't like just some brand new one that I threw out here. And it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Oh, I never even realized there was a measuring tape on here. It's in metric up there. Nice lighting, eh? Okay, so soap and water. Apparently that's the magic formula for, look at the cuts on there. Oh my God. That's the magic formula for keeping or cleaning one of these things. Both sides. Okay, that's all I got for you. Well, that's flexible. WTF. Okay, that's all I got for you today. Thanks a lot. See you next time on Das Lab.